Tools in Action is filmed in front of a live studio audience. You gotta clap, you gotta clap,
dude, clap. Yay! Say yeah, clap. Because we take that and we multiply it. I create tons of tracks and I put it in there.
So it sounds like we have like 100,000 people out there like we're in a stadium. So today in Tools in Action, we are going over flooring.
Clap.
Oh yeah, all right.
There we go.
Okay.
Do the laugh track too though. We gotta get the laugh track in there.
Okay.
Perfect, thanks. So flooring, this is flooring we were going to put in the shop and we didn't. So Dan actually put it in his garage.
Yes, you guys, I wanted a storage solution, I wanted a flooring solution for my garage. There is many. There is painting it, what is that called? Acrylic, not acrylic.
Epoxy?
Epoxy. Yeah. You could epoxy it. Now, epoxying it looks really nice when it's done, but I've heard nightmare stories, you know, after it's done, it starts peeling when your cars are parked, this and that. I didn't want to mess around with it. I wanted something that I could do myself that was really fast to get done, and it was this. I did my entire garage in less than 3 hours, and that was taking everything out, being slow. Some guy came and stopped and talked to me for a while, and
just some random guy.
No, my friend. He's actually a cop.
My friend.
Well, no, he was actually a cop, and I was gonna say cop, but I didn't want to, you know. But yeah, he came and talked to me for a little while, and you know, me and my girlfriend went through it and just put it in there, trimming out the edges, and actually walking on it was awesome. We had some leftover tile, so we came back to the shop, and I told Eric about it, and we're standing on it right now.
Mm-hmm. Believe it or not.
Believe it or not.
Can you tell us we're a little bit taller now too?
Yeah, actually, we probably are. If I look back to older videos, like it looks like we've grown.
We need one of those signs when you leave the convenience store. You know how it's got the height. So
yeah.
when you walk out, we need that.
Yeah, that'd be funny. We should have that like every video, you know? You guys, it has like this hook and loop system. Basically, it has two flat sides. That's how you want to start it in the upper left corner. And basically, you just place it down. And what do you do, Eric?
Use a mallet and hit it together.
Yes.
One question I was going to ask you though. Okay, so we have a cutter.
You don't even need a mallet. Okay, what?
We have a cutter that cuts through it. If you don't have a cutter, what do they recommend? Like a circular saw? Or what?
Yeah. Personally, the best thing I used, which was really easy to cut around things, was an oscillating tool.
Okay, but if I'm cutting, like I got a, I don't know, 100
circular saw or a jigsaw.
Is that what this is? Okay, yes. Circular saw, okay.
Yes, personally, you can rent cutters at Depot, Lowe's, something like that. I would definitely look into the rental side of things. Again, you guys, this is Montezuma flooring. They had that Montezuma box, remember that?
Yes, I do.
That was cool.
That's a nice box.
They also have, I believe, toolboxes. We actually got a chance to meet them. I don't know if it was the hardware show or at SEMA, but we got a chance to meet him and talk to their VP. Nice guy, and he was just telling us and just showing us all the cool stuff that they're coming out with, and you can just tell that they got quality products, and you know they just
So my question for you though, okay, I put this in my garage floor. My three concerns are A, stuff falling down in there. Number 2 would be like spilling oil. Now oil's down the floor. And number 3, parking my car after winter where all the salt and the water's on there, and so it sits on top of the concrete.
Right.
Are these easy to pull up? Are they easy to?
They're not so easy to pull up when you're in the center. You know, you can get a pair of pliers and pull them up. It takes some finagling. I'm not gonna lie, but you can do it. Yeah. As far as damaging them, they are replaceable. They do tout them as replaceable.
Okay.
As far as oil and stuff going through, they are drain-through tiles. So it would just be, if you spill oil on it, you're going to pressure wash that floor anyways. You can just pressure wash through this.
Can this go right over your concrete, or do you have to put some type of membrane or some type of...
No, it just goes right over your concrete. You guys, just lays down. It's made out of like an ABS. It can't snap. It does break. We broke 2 when we were installing in a tight corner. I banged them down with a mallet, and they did break.
But they're pretty strong.
Yeah. I've got my cars on them. I've actually put jacks on them and lifted cars, and no problems. And you guys, there is other manufacturers out on the market. Same stuff, Swiss Tracks and Mod My Floor and those guys. So it's pretty much all the same. I don't know if it's all made by the same company and just resold or how they do it, but I just like dealing with Montezuma, you know, good people over there. And I don't know, it's just cool. I was going to design mine with like gray, 2 black lines for the cars and then 2 black lines, but I ended up like just messing around with it and put it in a checkerboard pattern, and it turned out pretty cool.
Well, it's very cool, especially if you don't play checkers or chess. Now you got a big chessboard.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Yeah,
that's cool.
Eric,
it's good for a black party.
Yeah,
you know.
Exactly. No. Okay. So you guys, I like it. Again, we're standing on it right now. At first he's like, "Ooh, I put it down." Who cares? We're still standing on a hard floor. Not really, because we are raised above that cold concrete now, and we're not getting that bone-chilling cold coming up through our feet. And there is a little bit of, you know,
It's definitely, it's weird because when you stand on it, you would not think that there's a difference. But I don't know if it's the cold, but there is. It's not as bad as standing on concrete. So you were right on that one.
Right, yeah, and it's just comfortable. And, you know, is it for you? Are you a welding shop? Probably not. You know, if you're welding all the time underneath cars, it is, you know, a plastic and ABS or whatever, it is going to melt, you know. But as far as cracking from your vehicles, it's not going to crack from your vehicles. It's really going to take some...
What's the rating per towel, you know?
to damage it. No, I don't.
Okay. I mean, obviously, take a car, so it's got to be pretty strong.
Yeah. It's pretty crazy how it's made. I mean, if you look on the back here, it's just very rigid, and I kind of thought it was fun to put together. If you ask
You know
me.
what would have been nice would be like they've got little channels in there, but it'd be nice if some of them were a little bit deeper. You could put a
Heating?
like an extension cord or something like that.
Oh.
Just like if you got to run an extension.
Yeah,
cord
that's actually a great idea, you guys. Wow, what a cool one. They should make tiles like that so you can run extension cord. But then again, the extension cord's underneath the interlocked floor. I don't know how safe that would be. What if you nicked it?
Well, it shouldn't get nicked if it's underneath here. It's protected.
Yeah, that's true.
You know.
You guys, obviously, just like any floor, there's tons of pros and there's tons of cons. So, for me, I saw the pros, and I really like it. And that 3-hour install time was literally, I mean, they were seal coating my driveway the next morning. So I was like an idiot to start pulling everything out of my garage and doing it. But I attempted. I'm like, you know what? I don't care if it takes until 1 o'clock in the morning. I started at 6 o'clock. I was done by 9, wrapping it up at 9:15. If you follow us on Instagram, you would have seen that. And Eric, just for your first time seeing it, what do you think?
I like it. I like the quality of it. I like the convenience of it and all that. Like I said, my only, like you said, cons, my only thing is like oil or someone from my garage with the sawdust, or parking a car in wintertime with the salt and stuff like that sitting on the concrete. Other than that, I like it. I think it's cool. I love the fact that it's got a lot of different colors so you can design it any way you want to. So I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
They seem durable and solid though, which is huge.
Yeah, and those are valid. You know, if you're working on a car and you drop a little, you know,
Screw.
yeah, screw or something that goes through there, it is going to take a little bit to put it. Just the way it interlocks, because some tiles are down, so you can kind of go in and finagle it and get it out. But obviously not the greatest thing to do. But cool stuff, whatever.
Cool.
Tools in action, you guys. Check it out. Studio audience.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Woo.
There we go.
Follow us on Instagram, you guys. Peace out.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.